Okay, for Captain Starlight. For James, for Sarah, Madeline, David. Where's Captain Starlight? Captain Starlight. Oh, it's very important. Gotta read the card first, okay? So, here we go. Okay. Dear Captain Starlight, blah, blah, blah. Merry Christmas. Game on. Love, Santa. Oh my goodness. Hey, should we open it? Let's open it. Come on. Oh my goodness! Okay, what did we get? Santa, you're amazing. Should we have a look? It's a PS5! PlayStation 5? Whoa, Santa! You're the best! Hey, let's unbox it. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, what does it say? 8K? I thought they only did 4K. 8K now? Look at this thing, it looks like a spaceship. PS5, PlayStation 5. Okay, what do we do? Okay, open the top. What do we got here? We got a little box, a little rectangle box. Oh, and then there it is. Okay. Whoa, it's as big as the box. Look at this. Is there anything else? Little egg carton bits. And it's in, wrapped up again. Okay. Whoa. Oh, careful. Whoa. Look at that. Wow. What is, I feel like this is better than our rocket. We could get into this. Look at that. Can stand up this way, that way. Wow. Look at that. Oh, that's where you put the discs in here. Wow, it's a USB cord, USB-C, eject, power button. Got your air vents everywhere, like a good spaceship needs. HDMI power. Oh, cool. More USBs. Great. Look at this thing. PS logo right there. Wow. Hey, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Let's look at what's in here. Quick start guide, we're gonna need that. Read instructions. Whew. Okay, safety guide. What is this gonna do? Safety, oh my goodness. Oh, here's the controller. Look at that. Wow. Whoa. Look at that. Looks very similar to the PS4, but kind of more spaceshipy. Look at the clear buttons. Still got the trackpad. USB-C now up the top. Your triggers are the same. PS button looks pretty cool. Still got all the good things there. Can't wait to feel this. Apparently it has haptic feedback. I don't know what that means, but it sounds exciting. Look at that. Whoa, cool. What's in this little box? We got the charging cable. Yes, need one of them. Power cable. More power. What else we got in this little bit here? HDMI. Okay, that plugs into this and into the TV. Oh, this must be the stand. You reckon? What's in here? It is a stand. Wow. Look at that. Oh, okay. What? You can turn it. Whoa. Look at that. Yes. Oh, this must be, okay, so this way, and then you can stand it in here. Like this. Boom, for vertical. Boom, look at that. And then you can change it. And switch it to the side. And then we hook it on here like a little sloth. Like that. And then it sits horizontally. Awesome. Oh, that's so cool. That's the stand. That's great. Okay, and now in here, there should be like a TV. And like to play it on, a TV. And then like all the games. Oh no. Oh, it doesn't matter, at least we can just use it as a rocket or just look at it. Oh, it's gonna be so cool. Hey, Merry Christmas everyone. Thanks so much, Santa.